Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add 6 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now zoom photos to full screen. Delete end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and first type your name. Leave a small gap in the starting before typing your name. Choose font and style according to you. Now place the text. You can add animation to the text if you want. Leave a gap again and add a flag of your country. Now add animation. Now leave a gap again and add your zodiac sign. Now add animation. Now apply all text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.